Introduction. Hey there, welcome back to Money Magnetism, your one-stop destination for all things related to making money online. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and strategies for boosting your income. Today, we're diving into the most promising and lucrative ways to make money online in 2023. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle, replace your 9-to-5 job, or just turn some extra cash, this video is for you. So without further ado, let's get started. Segment 1 at freelancing. Our first method is freelancing. Freelancing has been a go-to option for many people, and in 2023, it's still a fantastic way to earn money online. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to offer your skills and services to clients worldwide. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, programmer, or marketer, there's a demand for your talents. To succeed, focus on building a strong portfolio, delivering high-quality work, and getting positive reviews. Segment 2, e-commerce. Next up, we have e-commerce. With the rise of dropshipping and print-on-demand services, it's easier than ever to start your online store. You can sell physical products or digital downloads through platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Etsy. The key is to identify a niche, source, or create quality products and market them effectively. Remember, success in e-commerce takes time and effort, so stay persistent and keep optimizing your store. Segment 3, affiliate marketing. Another lucrative option is affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services from other companies and earning a commission for each sale or lead generated through your referral. Affiliate marketing can be done through blogs, social media, or YouTube, just like we're doing here at Money Magnetism. Find products or services you genuinely believe in, create valuable content around them, and watch your commissions grow. Segment 4, online courses and coaching. If you're knowledgeable about a specific topic, consider creating online courses or coaching services. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Coach.me allow you to share your expertise and make money in the process. Whether it's teaching a language, offering fitness coaching, or providing business consulting, there's an audience hungry for knowledge. Remember to market your courses and services effectively to attract students or clients. Segment 5, stock trading and investing. Moving on to a more investment-focused option, we have stock trading and investing. While this method carries more risk, it can also yield substantial rewards. Online platforms like Robinhood, EA Trade, and Charles Schwab make it easy for beginners to start trading stocks, bonds, or cryptocurrencies. However, please ensure you do your research and consider consulting a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Segment 6, content creation, YouTube and blogging. If you enjoy creating content, platforms like YouTube and blogging can be your ticket to making money online. Here at Money Magnetism, we've found success through YouTube, but blogging is also a fantastic avenue. Both platforms offer monetization options like ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. The key is to consistently produce high-quality content that resonates with your audience and drives traffic. Segment 7, remote work and online jobs. Remote work and online jobs are becoming increasingly popular, especially after the global shift towards remote work in recent years. Many companies offer remote positions across various fields, from customer service and writing to software development and project management. Websites like Remote.co, We Work Remotely, and Flex Jobs can help you find legitimate remote job opportunities. Segment 8, mobile app development. If you have programming skills, mobile app development is a promising way to make money online. The demand for mobile apps continues to grow, and you can create your own apps or offer development services to clients. Platforms like Apple's App Store and Google Play Store provide a global distribution platform for your apps. Segment 9, online surveys and market research. For those looking to make some quick and easy cash, online surveys and market research panels can be a great option. Websites like Swagbooks, Survey Junkie, and Pinecone Research pay users for participating in surveys, watching videos, or testing products. While this won't make you rich, it's a simple way to earn extra money online. Conclusion, and there you have it, the best ways to make money online in 2023. Whether you choose freelancing, e-commerce, affiliate marketing, online courses, or any of the other methods we discussed today, remember that success often requires dedication, consistency, and ongoing learning. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Money Magnetism for more valuable content on making money online. Also, hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we release new videos. And as always, if you have any questions or want to share your own online money-making experiences, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.